Hey guys, this is a special video today because I received an awesome package. Mr. Chris Crunksknunk saw me struggling in my little igloo and offered to send me some friction fire sets, and man, he sent me a lot of them. This deserves a video all to itself because this is just awesome. I told him I wanted to get maybe start doing some hand drill sets, and I mean, I love your videos, Chris. I mean, consider you a master at what you do, and for you to send me this is just really, really cool. You've given me everything. You've given me fire, you know, and with fire you can do so much. So thank you so much, man. Just want to real quick talk about what you sent me here. Chris tells me these are box elder kits. These are bow drill sets. He gave me extra spindles here. He saw me struggling in my little igloo, so man, he sends me the real deal. These look beautiful, dude. About the third thing I pulled out of the package you sent me, and I wanted to record me taking everything out, but it took me like an hour because I'm sitting here studying each piece, you know, smelling them, getting to know them. But look at this, man. This is the professional model right here. Chris tells me this is river cane with box elder plug inserts, and I'm assuming that's what the hearth is made out of also. And I'm just curious, man, what's with the burnt and spacing? That's pretty awesome. I remember watching one of your videos and commenting on a hand drill set you use just like this. I never thought you'd be giving me one, man. This is absolutely incredible. You sent me a whole bunch of plugs for that kit. I really can't wait to use that thing, man. I forgot what you told me these two boards were made out of. Absolutely awesome. I feel like they would work excellent. And look, it sent me a whole bunch of hand drills. Two of these I could definitely identify as Mullen. And you did say that you thought you put in tickweed and goldenrod. So I wouldn't know which one's which, but I think those are in there too. This is just so cool. Look at tinder bundles. That was my whole problem with my video, man. I didn't take the time to get a nice tinder bundle set up. I couldn't blow that into flames. I mean, I was opening these up, I'm smelling this stuff, everything smells great, but not as much as this. Chris sends me some fat wood. And I don't know if I can take it out right now with holding the camera. This stuff is absolutely incredible. I'm there smelling it for like a half an hour. I've never seen anything like this. I always hear you guys talking about fat wood and pitch wood, and I've never seen anything like this stuff. It's totally infused with sap and pitch. It smells amazing. And Chris says that this works really good to rub on your hands and your drill spindle to give you grip, and I'm definitely going to try that. So dude, thanks again. I'm going to attempt my first hand drill fire here, and this is dedicated to you, man. Thanks so much. I got to hurry here. It's starting to snow and starting to get pretty cold. Chris, I'm going to use your tinder bundle sparingly because this looks like some really good stuff. That fluffy like seed heads in here, and it's a good old southern tinder, so I want to use this sparingly. And I got your fat wood you sent me here. And you talked about rubbing this on your hands and on the spindle to give grip, and that sounds really awesome. That's what I'm going to do. And let's get set up here. Make sure I'm on somewhat level ground. I just think this stuff is incredible. Really. This thing is way too nice for a rookie, man. This is awesome. Thanks so much. My hands are going to warm up really fast here in a minute. I'm freezing. Hopefully I can get this somewhat Well, that there, getting snowed on. Now I'm just gonna warm this thing up. Guess the whole thing is, you gotta get some dust in there first, so it'll have something to catch. Doesn't help, my hands are like as dry as can be. Slipping right down this. Dude, I don't know how you do those techniques. Floating stuff and once I get this thing warmed up, a little bit of smoke, I'll start putting some more pressure on it. Yeah, I need to get some grip on my hands, they're just slipping away. Oh man, you definitely gotta be in shape for this. Oh. I'm really starting to bear down on it, but man, I ain't got no grip. Oh, I have a call. Dude, I had no doubt because this stuff has magic powers. It comes from Mr. Crunksknunk. And I have a coal. My first hand drill coal right there. That is bad to the bone, brother. This is for you, man. You know what? Do it this way. Hopefully I don't lose it all. We have fire. Chris, you're the man, brother. For you, bro. Now, I probably should start a fire. I'm freezing.